is what they check user statistics, knowing the number of people that goes into the library on daily basis. The third one is interlibrary loans. You know that library borrows another library some of their collections. Maybe when the demand is high, let's say in University of Abuja, they need a particular course, GST 122, books on GST 122. And in Ilorin, the demand is not high. What they do, University of Abuja Library goes to University of Ilorin to borrow what? Books. So these circulation access units are in charge of what? Borrowing those books. Another function is of handling routing registration of users. Now, registration of library users, they are still the one in charge. They come to register the number of people that want to have what their library ID cards, keep the records of everything. These are some of the functions of what the circulation or access unit. They have more functions. You can find out more of them. And the second unit of the reader service division is what's called the reserve or short-term loan unit. Now, as the name implies, reserve or short-term loan unit, what is the function of this unit? This unit houses materials that are in what? High demand. Material that people demand on what? Hourly basis. Material that people go and consult. Now, what are some of those materials demanded on hourly basis? You see that they are in high demand. You see that people go, like when you're a geography student, you go to the library to what? Check the map, time, and come back. You go to the library to check what? Maybe some meaning of words when the dictionary is out of place. So these materials are in high demand and what? In the reserve or short-term loan units. Now, these materials are materials that are recommended by what? Lecturers. Something students can just quickly run, check, and come back. Now, there's one thing to note. The materials here are not borrowed out on daily basis. They are borrowed out on hourly basis. They may give you 2 hours to bring back such materials. So that is the function.